Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY honest proof. Still the only processor I trust in 2025. Last Sunday, I opened the fridge, saw 3 heads of cabbage, and actually felt my soul leave my body. I still had onions, carrots, and a block of cheese staring at me like they knew I was about to cry into a cutting board for 2 hours. Type same if Sunday night prep still ruins your week. Keep reading. I'm not kidding. That heavy, defeated slump when you realize dinner prep is going to wreck your back and your manicure again. You're exhausted before you even start. Stay with me for 30 more seconds, because I found something that hands control back to you without turning your kitchen into a science lab or costing a fortune. Then I pulled out the Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY that's been living on my counter since 2008. I was skeptical, another it'll change your life appliance, sure. Then I fed a whole onion through the extra-large tube. Gone in 2 seconds. No tears. Dropped in 4 potatoes. Perfect 4mm slices in 8 seconds flat. Threw in cold butter and flour. Pie dough done in 30 pulses. The 720-watt motor never even broke a sweat. My friend Rachel, caterer, 3 events that weekend, was 40 minutes from service and still had 12 pounds of carrots and cabbage to shred. She texted me at 2 a.m. I just did everything in one bowl, one load, no stopping. I'm actually going to sleep tonight. That moment when the machine is faster than your panic? That's the Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY. Suddenly Sunday nights don't own you anymore. Now every prep day feels like cheating. I shred cheese that actually melts, slice onions without tears, make hummus smoother than store-bought, and finish in literal minutes instead of hours. Serious Eats still calls it the undisputed heavyweight champion of home food processors in 2025. America's Test Kitchen says it's the only model they've never had to replace in their test kitchen, ever. One caterer I know has 6 units running since 2006. Only ever replaced one $18 blade. My own machine is 17 years old and still humiliates brand new $400 processors. Everyone's first question is always, yeah, but is it worth keeping that tank on the counter? My answer, I gave away my air fryer to make room for it permanently. See why 60,000 people refuse to cook without one right now? Tell me in the comments, what's the one prep task you hate most? I bet this thing kills it. Imagine opening the fridge on Sunday and actually smiling because prep is going to take 15 minutes instead of 2 hours. That's the deepest win, getting your weekends back and still eating better than ever. Join the thousands of us who finally stopped dreading dinner prep. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Just click, check it out for yourself, no pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. Either way, your cutting board thanks you. See you on the other side.